Good morning. I SRITAMA, course of class 11A. Ma'am, according to the practical exam of IP, I have made a create database practical exam. It has shown that one row affected. Now I have shown use database, so we can use any one database. I have used database. Then I have made a table, create table student ID int, and then I put all the information which I want to put it in my table. Then I have insert all the values in the for put in make. Then I have inserted all the values. Insert into student values, student ID, class, section, gender, name, date of birth, and marks. Then my table is ready. Student table. Then I have to show the marks of the students who have more than 20. So I have to select marks into 0.05 where student ID is more than 20. Then it is changed that rows matched 8, changed 8, warning 0. Then I have shown the table again, select star from student. Now I have done the average of the marks. So I have done select average marks from student and the output is 68.500. Now I have select student number who belongs from section A. So select count section equal to A from student, and it has shown that 10. No, it is error. It has shown that 5 students are from section A. Then it is told to select the student ID, name, and marks from the students who have get marks more than 50. So select student's ID, name, marks from student where marks greater than 50, and the output is this. Then they are told to add a column of email ID. So alter table student add to column email worker, and in bracket I have given 40, and it has shown that the column email is added. Then it is told to select the name of the students where name starts from AN. So select star from student where name like AN percentage, and it is shown the name of the students whose name starts with AN. Then it is told to select the name of the students and ID and date of birth, whose date of birth is from 2005 11 to 2005 12/31. So select student ID, name, date of birth from student where date of birth greater than 2005 0101 and date of birth 2005 12/31, and it has shown the name of those students. Then it is told to select the student ID, name, date of birth, and marks of those students who have male gender. So select student ID, name, date of birth, marks from student where gender equal to M, order by, because it has told us to show it in ascending order, so order by name, and it has shown all the names order but in ascending order. And at last they have told to show the student ID, gender, name, and date of birth from students in ascending order. So select student ID, gender, name, date of birth, marks from student, ordered by marks in all the name of the students according to the marks in ascending order displayed in this table.